Hey guys, this is me Mustafa from PenguinDMs. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to use the PenguinDMs Chrome extension. It's a very super simple tool that helps you fetch your Slack user token and workspace ID. You don't need to go through any coding skills or dig through the browser cookies. It's really very easy. Just a few clicks and you are set. So first of all, what you have to do is to install the Chrome extension from Chrome Web Store. You just have to go through the store and search for PenguinDMs, and here you go, you see Slack user token feature by PenguinDMs. So yeah, you just click here, add to Chrome, and then again add extension. And I recommend you pinning it so that it will be very easy for you to access it every time. After installing the Chrome extension, now make sure you are logged in to Slack in your browser, because now you have to go to app.slack.com and open the workspace you want to connect. So here you can see a workspace for testing. You just have to click on launch Slack and it will redirect you to the workspace. Now once your workspace is open in the browser, you just have to click on this extension icon and click on fetch token button, and within a second you both select user token and workspace ID will appear here. This all appears on your browser, nothing is stored in our databases, this is completely on your local. So here you see you select user token which you can copy from here and it will instantly be copied on your clipboard. You can also copy the workspace ID from here. So see, everything is super simple. Now you can either keep these token and the workspace ID value with yourself, or you can paste them on the PenguinDMs dashboard. Now, one quick note, this extension only works when you are on a Slack workspace tab. For example, if I open a new tab and here click the extension and try to fetch the token, it will give me an error, unable to fetch token, please try again. But when I go back to my workspace tab and if I click the extension here and try to fetch the token, everything works perfectly. This is because this extension is only designed to fetch the token from a Slack tab. So make sure you are on app.slack.com whenever you want to use the extension, because as I mentioned, this only works on a Slack tab. Now before I wrap it up, I just want to give a quick note about privacy. As I told before, this extension does not collect or save anything on or any data on our servers. Both your Slack token and the workspace ID stays on your browser and you're always in full control. So you can use it with peace of mind. So that's it. Super simple. Now you know how to install the extension and fetch your Slack user token. If you haven't already, you can install the extension today and give it a try. It is available on the Chrome Web Store. Thanks for watching and I'll see you inside Penguin DM. Have a good day.